All right, so getting a large vocal that sounds like Asake is very very simple. I'm gonna be displaying how I got this me earrings, so just stay tuned. So firstly, you need to record your first take at the same time. Then make sure your recording is clean. Then after that, you record the other person who take his own part twice, and then you take your own two twice. So sometimes it sounds very very funny when you're recording this because you have to hold your nose, hold your breath at some point just to get the best. But then it's fun doing that. So we are done recording, so just listen to how it sounds here. So what I did is just very very simple. I just got earrings in the studio and then we just recorded this. So I just added reverb, nothing much on my boss. You can see I didn't add any effect, just reverb. So I'm using Pro Fab Filter reverb. So this is I didn't tweak anything, just drop it at normal level. So that's all. Follow me for more tips.